Alright, welcome back to a, I guess, a prolonged video, I guess, since the last live video I did. I am here with my Mazda, and then I'm here at the new shop that we're at. I'm here with my dog. Come here. Hey, Lolo. What you doing? What you doing? Come here. Look, is that you? Is that, oh, hi. And yes, I'm filming this on my phone because, well, I don't really take my camera. Fuck, that was close up. Now, I don't really take my camera with me, so yeah, this probably whole video will be on my phone. I'm gonna try to remember my camera because I didn't know I was gonna really film today, but I got done earlier. Well, hi, baby girl. What you doing? Hi, Bobby. You gotta lick yourself, clean yourself. Is that what you gotta do, bud? Anyways, so yeah, see the inside. I'm working on a Subaru right now. The other guy's working on the Avalanche. The Subaru actually just pulled the motor out of. We're swapping it over with a not new engine, but you know, lower miles, I guess. See if you guys. There's a hole. So there's that. Today's video is going to be about my mess of a beard and the Camry over here. So bought this Camry and the Mazda, for that matter, to sell them, pretty much. I got them dirt cheap. I mean, both $500. This one has a lot more damage than the Mazda. The Mazda needs an exhaust manifold, but I found out with that they have the cats built in, so it makes sense why whoever had it took the manifold. I didn't know that at the time. This, on the other hand, has a head gasket issue, and I recently found out that these 2003s the head bolts tend to just strip out or lose torque or whatever. They fail, and which lead me to believe, I didn't look it up, but I'm going to assume it's an aluminum block as well as an aluminum head. To me, that only makes the most sense. Anyways, it's chocolate milky in there right now in the oil, so I'm hoping. Hey, stop licking the ground. Leave that. I'm hoping. Come here. I'm hoping that it's just like just a normal cause blown head gasket. Take the head bolts out. That's like perfect world. That's like. Right now, I'm hoping. I won't know until I actually get it open, but in this video, I'm hoping to at least get the head disassembled, which should be pretty easy. And well, I guess filming is going to take time too, so we'll see. I got plenty of time today, so yeah. This is by far the best. Whoa, that's cool. The best setup I have found for just my phone. It's like 2 fucking zip ties just hung up to the hood. Hopefully it doesn't fall because my phone's already cracked, and I feel like the next time it falls, that is fucking hit. First thing is first is I'm disconnecting the battery because I don't know what all I have to take off. So that's probably off camera. I can't really tell. The next thing is take off the airbox. Oh boy. Oh man, this is all crusty on there. Yummy. Go. Yeah, just take it off with it. Bada bing, bada boom. Go ahead and take these guys off. Aha! Just pull right up. If you follow me on TikTok, you'll also be able to see the milk. Just saying. It's pretty disgusting. It's a good blown head gasket. Okay. I don't know why they're torqued that tight, but I guess fucking. Oh, you fucker, I need the extension. Fucking dickhead. Wow. The hell is wrong with this fucking heat shield? Jesus. I was not taking chances with that one. I was gonna fucking. We may or may not put the heat shield back on. You have to take the motor mount off first to get the heat shield off? Toyota, what in the fuck is wrong with you? So, oh, fuck, buddy. I don't know if you guys see that on camera. Ooh. Oh, no, you can't. Hold on, let me Try and angle this down. Oh yeah, there it is. See that puddle? Yup. Can't wait to take you off. Oh, that's on, bro. What kind of fucking bracket is that? Oh, it just slides right on and out. That's cool. Ah, with the help of my handy dandy. Nope, we're gonna stop right there. Oh my god, this whole fucking plug comes off with it? What the fucking actual tits? Oh, fucking piece of shit Napa fucking pliers. Only ones I got though that work really well. I guess this is a lot of shit going on right now, so I'm gonna go ahead, just do the rest of this off camera. Just know I got these vacuum lines over here to disconnect, and I gotta remove the valve cover and the intake and the exhaust. And the exhaust, I'm just gonna remove this and then unbolt it down here. I think I'll be able to get it. You know what, I could probably even get it from under the car too. We might just pull the entire exhaust manifold out. So, it's been a couple days. I ended up leaving, and you know, I got work throughout the week, so I'm only working on this on my days off, I guess. But anyways, upon further inspection, I guess, on stuff, you know, a couple things. The chain is, you know, pretty loose. That's not gonna focus. Oh, there we go. The chain's pretty loose. Timing chain is pretty worn. I can't really see too much without pulling the valve covers off, but there's a few other things. So we have these cams right here that are worn like a motherfucker. These ones are worn, those ones are worn, these ones are worn, and these ones are heated up like a motherfucker. Like they ran this thing without fucking like super, either no oil or like super low on oil for a while. And this whole motor's been ran through, which doesn't surprise me. It's a fucking Camry. So I was just gonna do a head gasket and call it a fucking day. But with the other issue with this car, which is also why it's not really worth it, is the aluminum block, and these back three over here are typically is the cause of why these things blow head gaskets. So I figured if it was just that issue, totally fine. But we'll have to do a timing service. We'll have to fucking replace the cams. Like if this thing is gonna, if you want to get more than, you know, 50,000 miles out of it, it's gonna be a headache. And I yeah, it's a flip car. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell it. But the amount of money I'm gonna have to put into it to make it, I guess, reliable again would be, it's more than the price of a fucking used motor. So we'll just get a used motor. So instead, what we're gonna do today is I'm going to just pull this whole fucking motor out. I'm gonna take it with the transmission. You get the mounts right there. Get that mount off. There's shit back here. Disconnect the wiring, and then the CV axles, and then the AC and power steering can just flop over to the side for the time being. And then we'll get this out, and I'll probably still tear this apart. So with those things, I'll just kind of, the next clip you guys will see will be probably the engine on the floor, or the stand, whatever I decide to do. Probably just throw it on the floor. I have no need for this motor. But yeah, that's basically all that we need to take out just to lift this motor up and out. And then we'll do that. We'll tear it down some and see just how fucked things are. And if things are super fucked, I mean, cool, you know, like no big deal. But if it's like, oh yeah, it's fixable, but not really. So, and the timing chain, when I first started it up the other day to pull it into the shop, yes, it still runs. It runs like shit, but it runs. But it was making a lot of fucking timing chain noise. So I don't really want to. It's just not worth the money. Like, if replacing all these parts is going to be the same as just like dropping a motor and transit is far less time than having to fucking take all this off and fucking, yeah. So I think we have it all out. The timing and everything is all jacked up. I don't really have a good spot. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Probably gonna work very well, but we'll start with this back one. Oh my god, I need both hands. Anyways, I'm just gonna pull them all out real quick and then fucking come back to it. Alright, well, just to keep things like super simple, I'm just gonna shoot the rest of this on my phone. Anyways, my phone fucking died, like, literally right after that. It's fucked. It was so fucked. It was fucked. One of the head bolts actually was spinning in place. So I was like, yep, I'm not dealing with that, because that means you have to drill out the top of the fucking head. And not only that, or yeah, top of the head of the bolt, which is in the head, to the block. I'm not comfortable with that. So, good call to just buy a fucking motor. So I'll be going. This is gonna be end this video because it's already probably pretty long. So this is like the, you know, don't fucking buy Toyota Camrys to have blown head gaskets if you plan to flip them, or if you plan to want to fix a fucking car. They're great cars, but not when they have blown head gaskets. Everything else on the motor too was pretty fucking done. So anyways, so hopefully when I go to the junkyard, go to pick and pull, oh fuck, I forgot the jump pack, damn it. Anyways, well, maybe I will go to the shop tomorrow, grab the jump pack. Plan is to jump the starter if the motor has a starter, and just jump it and just burn out the motor and the starter to crank over the motor to get some sort of compression test. That way, you know, we can at least find a motor with good compression that doesn't have a blown head gasket or whatever. So that's the next plan. I'm fucking tired. I'm gonna eat and go to bed. And so with that, I'm gonna get out of here. I will see you guys all in the next video, which probably won't be a 240 video. It's gonna be the Mazda, because I gotta fix that. That's gonna be way easier to fix, but fix that. And then I got a X5 BMW I'm doing valve seals on, which is also a large sum of money. I'm just in this money making mode right now, because yeah, I could wait on stuff, but I mean, might as well just get it all done now. Don't put everything to the side and figure out what I'm gonna do with it. But anyways, so that's the plan. I will see you guys all in the next video though, of course. And with that, have a good... Oh, it's the weekend. Have a happy Halloween, too. So, okay, love you fuckers. I will talk to you guys all later. Bye-bye.